Hello, I'm Dr. Kowalczyk from PhysioSpace, and these are bird dogs. Start on your hands and knees with your hands underneath your shoulders and knees under your hips. Then extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back, keeping them aligned with your entire body. Return to the starting position and alternate sides. Focus on maintaining balance and core engagement, making sure not to roll over to the side. Keep reaching. Bird dogs exercises combine strength, balance, and coordination, flying you to a stronger core and back.